So the Pocket 3 is still one of the best cameras out there for content creation. I mean, I use this thing all the time. I recommend it to friends and family who are looking for a good camera for traveling or just capturing those memories. It's just all around a great camera, and that's really not the point of this video, because the point of the video is to show you the mega limited edition 14 pack of filters that you can get from Freewell. Some really cool lenses here that will help get your footage more cinematic and also add some enhancements to it and just much more. So let me tell you more about it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. Love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it down there nice and easy. So this comes in from Freewell, and there are actually 14 filters in this little pack. It uses the magnets from the Pocket 3 lens and the magnets on these lenses themselves, and they just pop on nice and easily. You get 7 ND filters, which reduces the light sensitivity and correcting image exposure. It comes with an ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64, ND128, and ND256. Also a whopping ND1000 filter. And the higher number you go, the darker it's gonna get. Think of it like sunglasses, and the darker the lenses, the more your eyes have to open up to bring more light in. And we've done this on the channel many times where I show you the different examples of how you get that motion blur. So if it's a nice sunny day and you put a nice high ND filter on there, you can see the difference of motion with the ND filters versus without them at all, especially when you pause the footage. So that means if you're shooting something with high motion to it, you're kind of moving around, that'll add a little bit more of that motion blur to it to make it a little bit more natural, a little bit more cinematic. You also get a CPL filter, which removes glare and reflections to produce color enhanced images. And you also get these dual effect filters, which can give you both neutral density and polarization simultaneously. And you just, move that little dial around to activate that polarizer. You also get a light pollution reduction filter, which reduces artificial light, ideal for night and astrophotography. And you get a snow mist filter, which softens images by reducing contrast and glare and shadows. It does take a bit to pry those little lenses off, and I recommend turning off your Pocket 3 before you do so you don't mess up the gimbal. So there you go. That's a lot of really cool filters in here. Just a lot to play around with to explore and just get more creative with your Pocket 3. Fantastic camera. I still think this is one of the best cameras that's out there right now. That's just so much fun to play with. So this will just add a little bit more fun and creativity and professionalism to that Pocket 3 that you have. So check it out. Links in the description if you want to learn more. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.